Do you ever feel overwhelmed by your daily tasks? Life hacks are clever tricks designed to reduce your everyday stress. These simple adjustments can significantly boost your efficiency and lower your daily stress levels. Stay tuned as we dive into simple yet effective life hacks that will transform your daily routine. Struggle with morning chaos? Here's a simple trick to streamline your start. Prepare your outfit and pack essential items the night before. This small step not only saves precious minutes during your morning rush, but also spares you the mental strain of making decisions when you're least fresh. Imagine waking up knowing exactly what you're going to wear and where everything you need is. Just grab and go. It's like giving your future self a helping hand. Implement this tonight and watch your mornings transform. Scene script. Ever wish you could clean faster? Here's a nifty trick. The dynamic duo of vinegar and baking soda isn't just for science fair volcanoes. This powerhouse combo tackles everything from grimy kitchen sinks to stained bathroom tiles. Just sprinkle baking soda on the problem area, then splash some vinegar over it. Watch the fizz do the work, breaking down grime effortlessly. Wipe away after a few minutes and voila, surfaces gleam without harsh chemicals. Try this eco-friendly hack and cut your cleaning time in half. Looking to declutter without the hassle? Embrace the minimalist mantra. Less is definitely more. By reducing your possessions, you not only clear physical space but also mental space, allowing for a more serene environment. Start this transformative journey with a simple daily 5-minute decluttering ritual. Choose one drawer, one shelf, or one corner at a time. This focused approach prevents the task from becoming overwhelming and makes the process manageable and even enjoyable. Consistency is key. 5 minutes a day can keep the clutter away. Tired of spending hours in the kitchen? Imagine this. You spend one afternoon cooking and you have meals ready for the whole week. Batch cooking on weekends isn't just a time saver, it's a life changer. Gather your ingredients, choose a variety of recipes, and cook them all in one go. Or let a slow cooker do the work while you're busy with life's other demands. This method not only streamlines your meal times, but also promotes healthier eating by avoiding last-minute unhealthy choices. Give it a try and reclaim your evenings. Ready to take control of your day? Let's recap. Master mornings, clean efficiently, organize daily, and prep meals smartly. These hacks are your new best friends. Try them out and feel the ease they bring. Transform your daily tasks into simple pleasures. Start today.